Hello, very good day to you. A rather cloudy but generally dry picture today, and albeit not as cold as it has been recently, there will still be quite a chilly feel to things. High pressure has been dominating our weather so far this week, and it is going to continue through the next few days, a blocking area of high, and it's because of this that we do have largely fine conditions at the moment. It is quite a cloudy picture though, particularly across many parts of England and Wales, into Northern Ireland this afternoon and eastern parts of Scotland. The best of any sunshine will be across central western Scotland and also western parts of Wales and southwest England. Here we should see a good deal of sunshine well into the afternoon. Elsewhere, where the cloud is thick enough, there could be a few spots of drizzly rain, most likely towards the east. As we look at our temperatures, and it is again going to be a chilly day for many, temperatures similar to yesterday, perhaps a little bit higher across some parts of the north. And it's worth factoring in that whilst the winds will be generally light around some eastern parts and perhaps the southeast, there will be some brisk winds here, so that will add to the chilly feel. Through this evening and overnight, the cloud is going to spill a little bit further southwestwards, so any clear skies across parts of Wales and southwest England largely disappearing, and so turning increasingly cloudy here. The clearest skies likely to be across much of Scotland, away from the east, and also across parts of Northern Ireland. Here, temperatures are going to plummet, so a widespread harsh frost and some freezing fog patches to watch out for too. Elsewhere and across much of England and Wales, because of the largely cloudy skies, temperatures will be quite a bit higher through Thursday night than they were through Wednesday night. As a result, any frost is going to be much patchier, many places not seeing much. As we go through Friday itself, then a cloudy day for many, particularly across parts of England and Wales. Again, the cloud could be thick enough for a few spots of drizzly rain, perhaps most likely towards the east. There will be some brighter, sunnier skies across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland for a time, but notice a bit more cloud and some outbreaks of rain trying to push their way in from the northwest as we go through the afternoon. Again, temperatures will be on the low side, most places seeing highs in mid-single figures. Worth bearing in mind though, over some higher sites, due to something called a temperature inversion, where we get slightly warmer air slightly higher up, those higher sites could actually have temperatures a little bit above normal for the time of year, whilst the rest of us, it is going to be cold. As we go through later Friday and into the weekend, a front is going to make its way southwards. It's a fairly weak feature, so it will bring a little bit of drizzly rain, but not a huge amount. And another front then follows in behind, again, not bringing a huge amount of rain. The bigger talking point is the cold air that's going to follow behind it. An Arctic air is going to plunge its way southwards as we go through later in the weekend and into the beginning of next week. That means temperatures are going to drop significantly, and there's the risk of some snow showers, particularly towards the north, but perhaps also down eastern parts, and some of those snow showers could be pretty heavy as well. With that cold air that we have across us next week, there is also the potential for some more disruptive snow in other areas. We do have more information about that in our 10-day trend, which Alex Deacon put on our YouTube channel yesterday. Worth checking that out. Otherwise, we will have a weekend weather video on this afternoon, so worth seeing that as well if you have plans. Otherwise, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.